Good morning, good afternoon, I should say. Good afternoon. Just checking to see if I am actually live. All right, I am live on YouTube. I need to do one other thing real quick. All right, everything looks good. Okay, I am live on YouTube. Now I know I'm going to have to wait a couple minutes for people to hop on in here. Not a fun day, not a fun morning at least. Hopefully that's the worst of it though. So, hey, what's up, Grant? Good to see you. I am going to go live on TikTok too. I just, the calm before the storm, want to be live on YouTube and kind of chill out, psych myself up for the moment where I go live on TikTok and get bombarded by 158 questions. So why is it saying that my computer screen is not charging? Oh, man. Hey, Devin, what's up? What a day. Saw some twos. Yeah, saw some twos. Yep. People don't give you any credit when you're right about something, and they love to rub it in your face when you're wrong. And so I said that there was a lot of support at 30,000. I by no means said guaranteed anything that we were going to never go below 30,000, but I certainly got some comments laughing at me, whatever you want to do, rubbing it in my face because we were under 30,000 for 2 hours. But we did bounce back decently from that. I've been using the block button quite a bit. No, I mean, I blocked 3 people. It's like, I don't know what to say. It's really frustrating being on here, having people listen to my words, knowing that I will be wrong sometimes, and hoping that I am right more than I am wrong, and whatever. But of course, I'm going to be wrong sometimes. You want to claim that as a W over me? I don't know. I'm getting insights into what it's like to be someone like Skip Bayless. Not that Skip Bayless is like somebody who I will ever defend, but I'm sure public personas, I'm sure they take a lot of garbage. They just need to filter that out. It can cause you to be pretty frustrated. So wasn't expecting it either. By the way, I agreed with you. Thank you. Yeah, Devin. Here's the big thing that we need to understand. Wherever the price goes from here, it's like I just made a TikTok. I just wanted to try out the 3-minute TikTok feature. I made a 3-minute video basically saying no one thinks that we're done until 2024. That's what I want you all to realize. Is like nobody who understands what cryptocurrency is and understands what Bitcoin's cycles are. We are in a bear market within a broader bull run. We're in a bear moment, if you want to call it that. And so as the cycles lengthen, which I fully believe in, I fully believe these cycles are going to lengthen every time. There will be more and more bearish moments within the broader markets. So, hey, what's up, Clarence? Shot you a DM on Twitter about Market Cipher. Oh, yeah, Market Cipher. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, let me get back to you on that. I will message you this week about Market Cipher. So, anyway, let's go live on TikTok. I'm going to go live on, oh, man, all right, got to psych myself up for it. And how about I pull up Coin360 on here? I like that better. Coin360.com. There we go. Bitcoin's dominance. I have been saying, so Bitcoin's dominance, I've been paying a lot of attention to that 48.64%. 48.61 now. It's rising. It's getting higher and higher. Sometime around 55 to 60% Bitcoin dominance, I will focus more on alts. I did buy some. I bought a little bit. I set some limit orders for Doge because, I bought some 17-cent Doge. Should I have done that? I don't know, but I did buy some $100 worth of Ethereum, $100 of Chainlink when Bitcoin was under $30,000 for those 2 hours. So, yes. Okay, gonna hype myself up for the onslaught of TikTok questions. Are we in a bear market? What about Doge? What about Shiba? What about SafeMoon? I do it because, why do I do it? I don't know. TikTok does, they kind of blast you out when you're live. So that's why I do it, to grow the base there. So, all right, give me a couple minutes, and as always, you will see the TikTok stream, the chat stream on here, and I will prioritize the YouTube chat over the TikTok chat. So, 1 more minute. No, you know what? I'm not going to do a background today. How about no background? Here we go. Okay. Going live in 3, 2, 1. Feel for you every time. That's funny. Dan, good afternoon. I do like the YouTube chat better than the TikTok chat. It's like, a lot of the kids on TikTok, they're like, YouTube? What's the YouTube? I don't want to go on YouTube. So, good afternoon, TikTok friends. I see some of you cycling in. Good afternoon. I nothing but love for you. I love all of you. I'm the people on YouTube are, I'm sure that's an inside joke for the YouTubers. But for those of you cycling in on TikTok, usually when I go live on here, we get upwards of 200 people, sometimes even more than that. So if you have a question, something you want to talk about, now is the time. How many times do you have to tell them vet to $1? Yeah, Dan. Yeah, for sure. GA, just like, thank you. All right, waiting for you to sing karaoke with that mic. Hey, there we go. That's a good comment. Yeah, what is love? Baby, don't hurt me. All right, I'm done with that. Vet to $1. That needs to be like an inside YouTube joke. Vet to $1. This cycle. What do you mean by cycles? Hey, what's up? What's up, Sambo? On vacation in Mexico. All right. Very nice. And here you are on TikTok. Why don't you enjoy your vacation, man? Oh, GA, thank you so much. Still waiting to buy in on alts. I bought some alts today. And so the big things I'm looking at, Bitcoin under 30,000 or over 50,000, I will buy more alts. And Bitcoin's dominance at 55 to 60%, I will buy some alts. So do you see VET touching 6 cents again? Had buyers at 6, but they didn't get filled. Oh, man. Maybe. Yes. I don't know. That's a tough one. Will we get back down to the 28.8 level that we got to today? If you had to choose only one crypto to buy now, Bitcoin. Have we bottomed? Crypto covered? It's really hard to tell. I'm not going to say yes, but I really don't know. Mana to $60 in 2030? Maybe. I don't know. All right, bought the dip. What would you buy now? Only Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin. Only. Thoughts on Bitcoin dumping under 30K again today? Not excited about it. All right, watch Pablo live today. When it dipped past 30K, he started cheering. Man, he has gotten some heat from that, and I am one of the people who gave him heat. So, he said 20 to 25K. I want to hold him to that. It's not like 30K was the level that he was predicting. It was 20 to 25K. I'll buy 2 if you were buying alts, that is. Okay. What's the bottom of ETH? It's gone lower than I would have expected. It got into 1700s today. Maybe that's the bottom. Binance US is crashed, man. That's annoying. I stayed away from alts, except ETH. Got some Bitcoin at 30 and 29K. That sounds great. You know, ETH at 1900. Yeah, ETH went to 1700. Yeah, maybe that's the bottom. What would be the best return on $1,000? Want to buy best return? We're talking about best return right now. My suggestion: only buy Bitcoin. Don't focus on best returns. So yesterday I said ETH to 1500 and everyone laughed at me. Who? Did I laugh at you? Who laughed at you? Anything's in play. ETH, I'm looking at 1400, maybe lower. I hope you're wrong. That's not saying you are wrong. I would be sad if ETH got to 1400. Bitcoins are cool and all. No, Lardo coin, whatever. Hey, Frey Not Fry. Sorry for being late. Didn't get the notification. Hope I didn't miss anything. You didn't miss much. Just kind of shooting the breeze here. Bitcoin dropping below 30K again. Maybe it'll be like a double bottom type thing. The big picture is we will pass our all-time high sometime, like this year or early next year. Need XRP under 50 cents. All right. Do you think Doge will get back to 70 cents sometime at some point? Yes. At this point, I'm just DCA on Bitcoin and ETH and watching all the craziness. Exactly. Yeah, Devin, that's what I agree with that. ETH might just go sideways while Bitcoin is the buy now. What do you think ETH will get to by the end of the year? End of the year, I'm not going to say anything. End of the cycle, I've been saying $15,000. Number one alt I bought today, I bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. No, sorry, $100 worth of ETH and $100 worth of Chainlink. Will altcoins recover? Bitcoin will recover first. All right, Jesse, I see you. I want to buy stuff and pay for bills with crypto already. Come on, world, get with it. Okay. At 20 cents, then rise to 70 cents. That would be a good return. Yeah. When will this drop go up? Should I be buying? I'm only buying Bitcoin right now. I did buy when Bitcoin went under $30,000 today. I bought some Chainlink and ETH. So VChain to $1. Hey, VChain to $1, guys. This cycle. You're welcome, Sambo. XLM, Polkadot. I like both of them, but you guys, Bitcoin's gonna regain some of its dominance. It has been regaining its dominance. Bitcoin's dominance is under 50%. I think it's for the short term. It's going to outperform. It's going to outperform most of the alts. All right, let's see. Did you see Plan B tweet about his worst case predictions? Yeah, I did, Devin. He's sticking to it. I just don't understand. You know, why not? What's his problem with just saying, you know, some of this stuff's going to happen in 2022 instead of 2021? I have heard of Sportimon go. I haven't looked into it at all. Don't buy Bitcoin right now. No, Jesse. What if you are wrong? You know, and my answer is buy Bitcoin now. Buy a little bit more tomorrow. Buy the next day. ICP. I have been telling people since it launched to stay away from it, and I would still say stay away from it. It launched as the number 4 crypto in the world. Yeah, Ross, some of my buy orders did get hit today, yeah. So ICP is going to be worth a fortune. Read about who created it. Tobias, one day, I wouldn't be surprised if that was true one day. But right now, I'm saying stay away. We hit bottom, never going to see these prices. I hope you're right, Woody. We'll see. Rather buy and wait until it's above than not buy and miss the opportunity. Exactly, Devin. I'm totally with you on that. I don't like your attitude, Jesse. I'm sorry. I'm blocking you. It's not, you know, if you want to be, if you're bearish, that's one thing, but this person is talking like he or she is the smartest person in the room and everyone else is stupid. If you want to do that, I'm going to block you. Buy now, stop being afraid. It's now okay. Yeah, I mean, maybe you're right. Is it true that Bitcoin lacks scalability? Bitcoin is an asset. You know, does gold lack scalability? Then yeah, Bitcoin lacks scalability. Hey, what's up, BLK Heart, Blackheart? Review of live already? Nothing much. Just, you know, I'm sure we'll talk about already things that we're going to talk about more in this live stream. So Clarence, Block Bro, ICP tokenomics not great. 50% team delegation. VCs have been dumping tokens. Oh man, there we go. Yeah, needs better tokenomics, and the VCs are dumping. So let's see. Jesse was probably sent from Pablo and Brian. That's funny. Thoughts on the current market? Watch my most recent TikTok. I made one. I think it's going to be I've been saying for a long time, a U-shaped recovery. I think it's going to be flat for a while, and then it will go higher 3 to 6 months, maybe no, 4 to 7 months from now, something like that. Definitely ain't the smartest person in the room. I'm not, I'm sure there's people in this live stream who are more knowledgeable about me, than I am about cryptocurrency. I don't claim to be the smartest person in the room, So double bottom to buy more. Yeah. Will Polkadot rival Ethereum? What's your take on it? Rival is probably too strong of a word. Will Doge recover? Yes, eventually, but not for a while. Microphone is too close to your mouth, distorting a bit. Well, actually, the microphone you're hearing is down here. I'll put it lower. The microphone that's close to my mouth is for YouTube. I am live on YouTube right now. I'm sharing my screen. I am able to actually respond to every question on YouTube. So hop over there, look for World War Bitcoin on YouTube. Would you love to see an interview between me and Crypto Weatherman? Yeah, he's a friend of mine, so we've talked before. Let's see. Crazy idea, not trying to trash Pablo, but he might have been planted on TikTok by the whales. Maybe. Favorite type of bird? Eagle, I guess. I don't know. ETH prices, would you buy now or wait again? Wait. I would wait. I think Bitcoin's going to outperform ETH for the short term. All right. Do you believe... Hold on a second. I missed some stuff here. I sold my Doge about 2 weeks ago around 30s, put my eggs in AMC and made 100% profit. Should I buy back into Doge? I don't know, man. Doge and AMC. Maybe, sure, buy a little bit back into Doge. But yeah, buy something else that will give you a higher return than Doge. Do you believe altcoin prices will ever stop being affected by the price of Bitcoin? One day, yes. I think Bitcoin will decouple from the other cryptos, and they'll have to stand on their own merits. So, but I think we're, slowly but surely that's going to happen. But for the next, for the next cycle, I think they're going to be following Bitcoin, and we'll see about after that. All right, let's see. Crypto Weatherman changes tune today, now saying U-shaped rather than V-shaped. No. He's been saying U-shaped for a while. I had him live with me on TikTok, and he said U-shaped. He's been consistent with that. Dustin, my pleasure. Vet is a better return choice. Yeah. If it was between VeChain and Doge right now, I'd say VeChain for sure. Pay attention to DXY. When it pumps, the S&P stagnates, and crypto markets pull back. Okay, yeah. Matic thoughts. I love Matic. I think under $1 is a steal. But I am mostly paying attention to Bitcoin right now. Thoughts on Pi. I mine it on my phone. But it's more of a wait and see for me. If we break 30 again, how low do you think we'll go? 25? What I would be wondering again is if we break 30 is, would it be a double bottom type thing? That's what I'm wondering, not 25. If we break 30 again, I would think double bottom and then go back above 30. And then if we go below 30 a third time, then yeah, unfortunately, I think it would go lower than the 28.8 that it had. So just hate how Pablo keeps twisting his story. Yeah, he does that a lot, but I still like Pablo. Good day, Dr. McPuffin. What's up? All right. Would you say pre-sales are worth the risk? Thank you, Jose, by the way. Yeah, I think so. I don't do it a lot. That's more of a bear market type thing for me. But yeah, I think pre-sales are worth the risk. Cake thoughts. I'm not selling any of my cake. I have not sold any of it. I keep accumulating it, and I keep staking it for those phenomenal returns, and I will continue to do so. And if this is actually the bear market, which I don't think it is, I think it's a bear market, then I'm just going to hold on to my cake until the next bull market, So Amp, no, not Amp. Never mind. No thoughts on Amp. Sorry. Pablo is an actor. He actually is an actor. Yeah. Are you worried or excited or what? I'm whatever. The thing that I'm most worried about is trolls coming on my profile, whatever. I mean, I'm not really worried about it. It's just annoying. Ethereum Classic will perform kind of like a, if Ethereum drops 10%, Ethereum Classic drops 20%. I think Ethereum, I'm very bullish on Ethereum, which means that people, instead of buying Ethereum, they're going to be like, oh, let me buy this thing with Ethereum in the name, and it will go up. I don't think we've reached, I think we'll surpass the high for pretty much every crypto that's big right now. So let's see. Crypto will evolve, and so will the countries accepting the entire world will become, yeah. Does time zones play much of an impact, say U.S. time compared to Asian time for any crashes, dips? Yeah, man, that's really hard to say. Yes, but I don't know. I really don't know what else to say about that right now. Thank you. I saw somebody subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, Alexander. All right. Any update on safe coins like SafeSpace, etc.? No, they're just going to be flat for a long time. Crypto is dead. Oh no. Oh, crypto's dead, guys. Recommended stock crypto delegation 50-50, 60-40. I'm 90-10 right now with crypto versus stocks, but probably throughout the bear market, it's probably going to be more like 50-50. So, and I don't think we are in the bear market, but a bear market. Made my average on Polkadot $15 per coin. I'm already up. Nice. Going to make back my losses fast. Okay. I hope. The sky is falling. Oh, no. All right. Brokerage account, not 401k. Oh, yeah, brokerage. Okay. Would it be a bad idea for me personally to hold my vet in Matic after the bull run is over through the bear market? Not necessarily. If you're willing to hold long term, if you have a long term perspective, those are two that I'm very confident will not die, through the bear market. Crypto versus gold. Crypto, I do like gold though. Crypto ETF, there's going to be a Bitcoin ETF eventually, and when that is, that's very bullish for the price of Bitcoin. Are we in a bear market or still a bull run? Hey, watch my most recent TikTok. Oh, my portfolio must be looking sad. Yeah, I'm down probably 150,000 from the peak, but I'm also up big time from this time last year. So thank you for that troll comment. Don't FOMO on your Doge. Smarter than that. Yeah, struggling with deciding if I should buy the dip all at once. No, DCA, Alexander. Yeah, DCA. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, yes, I really appreciate your comments. The problem with the 25K prediction that there's no time frame. Yeah, Eggsy. I mean, listen, Pablo, when he first called for 20 to 25K, he certainly was calling that for after the options expired last month or for like a little bit after that. So like just because it dipped for literally 2 hours under 30K today does not make him some kind of genius. Will XRP survive the bear market? The question is, will XRP survive the SEC suit, which I think it will. I don't think there's a question of whether it will survive the bear market. Top segment when Warren Buffett says he will buy Bitcoin. That's funny. Stupid. What does ETF stand for? Exchange Traded Fund. It's something. It's like it's similar to a stock. You buy it like you would buy a stock, but in this case, the ETF, the fund, when you buy into the ETF, that means that they have to buy that asset, and so a Bitcoin ETF means that they would have to buy Bitcoin. An ETF launched in Canada, and immediately they had to buy 11,000 Bitcoin. It's just exciting to see how this all goes down. Lord of Emotions, for sure. So imagine what that would be like in the United States, because Canada versus the United States, Do you think gold will drop? No. He copied a 4chan post. It's true. He did. Yeah. Why buy any of the altcoins when everything follows Bitcoin anyways? They tend to outperform Bitcoin in bull runs. That's why. By time this, I don't understand, Rahul, what you're asking. An ETF is more accessible and more liquid index fund, basically, yeah. Just got my electric business. Ooh, 1 month of mining. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Adoption from countries compromise Bitcoin for fear for dollar dominance. I have no idea what you're asking, Christian. I'll give $10,000 if you promote a crap coin like VeChain. VeChain is not a crap coin. Called him out in his copy. Nice. Musk tweets affect the price more than options expiring IMO. Yeah. For now, I mean, there will be diminishing returns for that. Thoughts on Baby Doge? Nothing. Never. I will never give thoughts. Is Shiba Inu an altcoin? It is, but it's more of a meme coin. Top 7 alts will last for a long time in the coming cycle. Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Matic. I'm going to stop there. What about VET to $1 this cycle? Gives diversification amongst the sector. Will you look to add some altcoins to your folder? Yeah, always, but not while Bitcoin's between 30 and 50,000. Bitcoin miner better stay out of Texas. We need our AC. That's funny. Yeah, I don't watch rugby. You know, being in the United States, it's not huge. There's really not much time to even be able to watch it, or, you know, many channels. But I would love to be a rugby fan. View on Theta. I love Theta. Yep, definitely. Time to invest in ETH. But as Bitcoin is between 30 and 50,000, I'm saying no. Bitcoin dipped a little under 30,000 today, and I bought some ETH. I had a dream in Rocket before everything took off. All right, I did average down my alts this morning. Good. All right, big bait. My pleasure. That would be huge. Cardano, $8 a cycle. How long will this uptrend last for? Man, you know, short-term stuff like this, your guess is as good as mine. CBDC and HBAR connection, no thoughts, sorry. Theta is mediocre, it's okay. All right, big bait. You know, you should just host your own live stream. I would recommend that. What should be the entry point for Theta? Please advise. Paying attention to Bitcoin. Again, with Bitcoin between $30,000 and $50,000, only buying Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dips below 30,000, I'll nibble in alts. If it goes like to the lower 20s, which I don't think it will, then I will be an aggressive buyer of alts. How long until you see crypto gets regular? I mean, it's just going to happen slowly but surely over time. So what makes you say you love a certain crypto? I mean, research. You know, it's like I can't really talk about the research when I'm live streaming and trying to answer 100 questions. But research. ETH to 1,500. How about no? Sure, I'll say no. If countries adopt Bitcoin, will it affect the dollar? No. I'm also going to say no to that question. It depends on. So eventually, yes, but not anytime soon. Charles Hoskinson. All right, big bait, you're gone. I did not say anything about Charles Hoskinson being a CEO. Hey, everyone, say goodbye to big_bait. Goodbye. Again, here's the thing that I'll say. If you have an attitude on these live streams, it's fine if you think you're smarter than me. By all means, you probably are. How about that? But if you're going to like just demean everybody, I see your comments. Bye. If you're just gonna crap on everyone and say that you disagree with everything, and you're gonna say it in such a condescending way, I'm gonna block you. So Solana, I think, will stand the test of time. I totally agree with that, Dan. Yeah. By the way, I am live on YouTube. I'm not able to respond to every question on TikTok. So if you look up World War Bitcoin on YouTube, and I am actually able to answer every question there. So, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Will you look to add some alts to your folder? I mean, all right, I did answer that question. Yeah. Any thoughts on lengthening cycles? Yes. And I do like Benjamin Cohen. He's kind of annoying in the sense that anytime he sees some bullishness, he just has to be the voice of reason. Like he's addicted to being the voice of reason. But hey, Sam. But he is definitely somebody that I recommend following on YouTube, Benjamin Cohen. And I definitely believe, I definitely agree with him on the lengthening cycles. Yes. And I've been comparing this to the 2013 cycle. Oh yeah, you know that, Alexander Woods. I think we might not see new all-time high until 2022 though. Yeah, I'm thinking late 2021, early 2022. So I agree with that as well. Top 3 cryptos, and if I was to set up in order, what do you believe is a good price to buy Bitcoin? I could see it going back around the 30,000 area, maybe even back below it. So, but I would buy some every day. Don't worry about trying to time it. You know, buy a little bit clearance. I see you. Ben is totally annoying and boring. That's why I appreciate him in my life. Good perspective. If you could only invest in one alt, what would it be in terms of returns and safety? Ethereum for sure. Jared, my pleasure. Would you recommend someone young do with a longer time? Oh, Jared, buy and hold. If you are young, buy and hold and add to your portfolio every month. Maxwell Housedale, I see your comment. I don't know who Taylor is, but all right, cool. TJ Topper, yeah, tough times. Just like, look, buy $100 of Bitcoin and Ethereum a month, $50 of each. So buy little, what's your little smiley EED? It's what is a little to you? Do you have $100 a month to put into this and to keep accumulating? That would be my recommendation. And if you don't, live a little bit more frugal. What's up, Mitchell? Or, do some Ubering, Uber, and put that money into Bitcoin, into Ethereum. Are we going to see another dip for Bitcoin? I think so. Will it go back down to 28.8? 50-50 on that. So, yeah, it depends on how much you have. I wish I had that advice when I was 20 and in the military. Oh, man, yeah, Blackheart. Lots of disposable income. Price target for ETH by the end of the year. I'm not going to say end of the year. I'm saying end of the cycle, and I'm saying $15,000. All right, Bitcoin, ETH, ADA, Link, DOT, VET, HBAR, XRP, Matic, Solana, thoughts. That's great. That's fantastic. I think that's a great portfolio. Are we going to see another Bitcoin dip? I did say that. I answered that one already. Jared, yeah, you're welcome. Feel like I missed out. Yeah. Donate plasma for cash. There's another way. Yeah. 401 or crypto long-term 10 plus years. You ask a financial advisor, they'll say a 401k. I would say crypto. I'm buying $50 per day. Wow, Bitcoin and ETH. That's great. Most people can't do that, but that's great for you. I think 29 was the low in my opinion. I hope you're right. You never know. Kramer thinks Bitcoin is going to 10K. I strongly disagree with him. A lot of people, there are people who are saying 10K, but what they're not paying attention to is the lack of euphoria that happened this time around when Bitcoin was at $64,000. It was nothing at all like that time in 2017 when it spiked up to 20K and then crashed hard after that. It wasn't like that was a blip. That was like a few days. And so this time it went up to 64K, but there was a 13-week period that Bitcoin was between 58,000 and 64,000. That is not a blow off top. So I would say, since we didn't have that kind of a blow off top, that that the bottom is around where we are right now. That if we had a blow off top, we would have shot up to like $100,000, and from $100,000, $30,000 would be looking really, really awful. So anyway, thank you, Kat Halfriron. Still buying, took a loan out. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Maxwell. Sorry, you mentioned that we are in a bear market at least for a couple months. Price range 30K. I think 30 is a good floor. I mean, yeah, we may have moments like we were under 30K for 2 hours today. I think any dip under 30K will be fast. We're not going to dwell in the 20s. 50K by the end of the cycle for ETH. Whoa, no. I didn't know. Devin, 15. 1-5. All right, nobody's talking about BOFA, and that's insane. BOFA? What's BOFA? I don't even know what that is. A financial advisor once told me to stay away from crypto. They now offer. That's funny. Would you buy 1 ETH and some Bitcoin or go on Bitcoin? Angel. Oh no, did I get pranked? I would buy. I'd split it up between Bitcoin and ETH. All right, I'm going back to the bottom of the TikTok chat. So, I like your haircut, bro. What's the price target for Chainlink by the end of the cycle? $200. Data and HBAR. I don't know enough about data. I do like HBAR a lot. That's a long-term hold for me. Auckland, New Zealand. What's up? It's so volatile at the moment without regulation and more press stories coming. Yeah, crypto's volatile, and it's going to get less and less volatile over time. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I am also live on YouTube right now. Look up World War Bitcoin on YouTube. I am sharing my computer screen. You can see what I'm looking at, and I am able to respond to every question. Hey, what's up, Aaron Eller? On TikTok. On YouTube, but not on TikTok. Bradford, UK. All right. It's a long road to big profits. Yep. ETH dipped to $800. I think that's very unlikely. Why is ETH looking weak? Because everything follows Bitcoin's lead. So, yeah, 15. I forgive you. I'm all in. Up dog. What is up dog? Wink. All right. Did you pick up any alts after Bitcoin dipped below 30K? Yes, I did. I bought some Chainlink and some Ethereum. And, all right, I'm going to say it. I bought some Doge, a little bit of Doge. Should I put money in XRP? Yeah. Thoughts on Crow? I love the Crypto.com platform. It hasn't been performing well lately, the coin, but I am a fan of Crow. Will strong altcoins survive if Bitcoin goes in bear market? Yeah. But, yeah. I mean, they will. The strong ones for sure. Thoughts on Mina Protocol? I said that under $3 was a good buying point. I like what they're saying that they can do. Thank you, ZK Pablo. Really appreciate that. Sorry, the TikTok chat's way too fast. They say that they can be the lightest crypto. Thank you, Alice. Really appreciate that. Yeah, YouTube presentation is way better than TikTok. Hop on over to YouTube. World War Bitcoin on YouTube. But the technology is not there for Mina to actually deliver on what they're promising. So can they do it? I do have faith, but it's kind of a wait and see type thing for me. So do you think this will back up by the end of 2021? I'm thinking end of 2021 or early 2022. Hey, Devin, see you later, man. WW Bitcoin bought Doge. How scandalous. Yeah. What will happen for the coming weeks on Doge? Doge is going to be, it's just going to follow Bitcoin's lead, but I think it's going to follow, and it's not going to perform as well. So, QNT. QNT seems to be doing pretty well. And so, listen, I haven't done enough research on quant. I understand the basics, the very basics, but man, people who love quant, they're becoming very convincing to me. Matic, I love Matic. You buy more Doge. Why? Because it was 17 cents, and I was like, listen, yeah, Doge is. I'm not a believer in Doge. That's more of a speculative play of mine. But I'm not gonna lie, I bought it on Doge at 0.3 cents. So price range to enter for Theta. Yeah, man, when Bitcoin is under 30, if Bitcoin goes under $30,000 again, buy some Theta. If it goes over $50,000, buy some Theta. How high do you see all the cryptos market cap by the end of next year? At the peak, I've been saying 10 trillion, and a lot of people have been saying that actually for the total crypto market cap. All right, I'm going back on over to YouTube. So is a good time to buy in now. Might drop more. Buy. My constant message is for Bitcoin at least, and for Ethereum, just buy regularly. Don't worry about price action and timing. Really turn one £1,000 into 5,000 pounds with GME. Now down to 3,000 pounds. All right. Bought Bitcoin, ETH, and ADA. We'll continue to hold though. Yeah. Good job, Hubert. Yeah. ETH prediction by Christmas. I don't know. 5,000. Lack of EVM compatibility is an issue. Solana is an argument for less decentralization. Okay. Price end of cycle prediction on Solana looks strong, just like ADA. I don't have an end of cycle prediction. Yeah, Pablo said Dogecoin is on halt. That's a good way to put it. I don't have an end of cycle prediction for Solana. I do think it's going to be worth at a comparable price to what ETH is right now for 4 years from now. All right. The Doge millionaire lost a ton. Might as well hold. That's funny. Yeah. Is there such a thing as shorts for crypto, hedge fund shorting? There's ways you can buy I think on Binance you can buy some coins that are supposed to do the opposite of what a coin does, so you can. Wish my son Devin was watching you. I wish he was too. Yeah. Am I a hot miner? I'm not. I am a hot holder though. Yeah. 74 billion has been sold from Doge since SNL. That's really 74 billion. Is this the bottom? In my opinion, we could double bottom. I really don't know. It's really hard to say right now, Mike Jones. When will we see some significant upward price action? I think it's going to be flat for a couple months still. I'm thinking August will be somewhat moderate. Somewhat. Maybe we'll get, back into we'll settle in the 40s in August for Bitcoin. Who is this Pablo you all talk about? Pablo He-Man. Yeah, there's many ways to short. Yeah. Shall we buy ETH? Buy it regularly, consistently? Hey, all right, somebody subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I was here for the Hubert, you must have changed your names. I am still holding some GameStop. Yeah. Oh, someone else subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. I see those notifications. It's Hugh. Okay, H-U-W. You changed your name. Thanks again for another subscriber. Really appreciate that. Tupac or Biggie? Biggie. East Coast. Was Pablo right? Not yet. He might end up being right, but no, not yet. And his prediction for Bitcoin to go to 25. Well, first of all, he was wrong. He said that Bitcoin was going to go up to 45K and then drop down to 20 to 25K. So far, he's been wrong on both ends. Why everyone worried these prices are amazing? Build your wealth. Yeah. What is taking Coinbase so long to relist XRP? It's the SEC suit. Doge is dropping. Everything's dropping. How many Satoshis do we really need? I'm hearing 0.13 Bitcoin. Is Dash dead? No, nothing's dead right now. It's just, yeah, Hugh, man, good to see you again. My thought on Doge, I'm not a huge fan. It's a meme coin. I don't like meme coins. And I did admit I bought a little bit today. So, yeah, he said that months. Well, no, it was a month ago. He said it a month ago. So, is Doge done? No, not necessarily. Thank you so much, Dean, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Really appreciate that. And sorry if I've missed. I'm getting notifications that people are subscribing to my YouTube channel. So thank you everybody for doing that. Hey bro, how's it going? How's your day? It was a rough day, not gonna lie, but I'm good. Filecoin, I don't know enough, man. I'm sorry. What about SHIB? SHIB's gonna be flat for quite a while. People are panic selling. They'll be the ones to regret it the most long term. Yeah, I have been consistently saying long term. Crypto Weatherman said you should only have 1 to 5 cryptos. I've been in 2 months and own 14. Yeah, I own 30, but Crypto Weatherman, he's a friend of mine and I like him a lot, so he's probably right. Hey, what's up, Smiles? Short or long from here? I would say long. I mean, what's the time frame? I'm wondering if we're going to see a double bottom with Bitcoin and with ETH and with all other cryptos. But so in that regard, I would say short. Hey, user Jennifer, thank you so much. But if we're talking about a month, I would be long from here. I think Bitcoin and other cryptos are going to be higher priced a month from now. So what have you bought today? Be honest. I bought some Chainlink, I bought some Ethereum, and I bought some Dogecoin. So Cardano, I have some. I'm holding. I haven't sold anything. I'm not planning on selling anything anytime soon. Yeah, don't buy anything at the moment. Not worth it. Yeah, wait and see how it plays out. Aside from Bitcoin, that's my mentality. Hey, Alex, I like your man cave. My man cave. Yeah, this is my kid's school room. So, Crypto Weatherman is talking about only holding 5 for short-term trading. Okay, all right. Top long-term coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Wesley, you used my last name, made me thought that you knew me. Thanks again, user Jennifer. Did you sold SafeMoon? I sold closer to the peak. I haven't sold since then. I don't have a ton. Did this just extend the bull run as it is like halftime at the moment? That's a good way to put it. I think the bull run was going to. Yeah, Mahmoudi, that's exactly right. The thing is, I'm 95% in coins with actual values. Yes. I did say Dogecoin. I did say, yes, I bought some Dogecoin. I have no shame in that. I don't like it. I don't like it because it will probably be lower this time next year. So it's a short-term investment. Yeah, user Jennifer, it's been a while since I've seen you on the lives, but good to see you again. And thanks again for those gifts. You had a rough day, bro. I think I'm pregnant after today's ride. Wow. Okay. Funny thing is, I'm a man. Were you able to take profits before all this? I took profits and I reinvested those into other cryptos. I'm not sweating anything right now. Thank you for that origami plane. Top long-term coins. Again, I said Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. What did you get in Doge at today? 17 cents. All right. I am live on YouTube. Hop on over to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. It is a better setup, and I'm able to answer every question there. EOS, I don't know enough. Wow. Thank you for that. You're too kind, user Jennifer. Not going to lie, I'm scared. Yeah, you know what? Fear greed index is very low right now, and everyone's, lots of people are scared. I'm a little scared because that quote from the beginning of the Big Short always messes with me. It's not what you don't know that gets you in trouble, but it's what you know for certain that just ain't so. I'm quite certain that this is not the end. But what if that just ain't so? I am in XRP. Yes, I am. That's probably my 5th biggest holding. I'm new. Where can I find the crypto with value? Bitcoin, Ethereum. Is it a good time to buy? For Bitcoin, I'd say every day is a good time to buy. Just buy a little bit. User Jennifer, me too scared. Yeah, most people are scared right now. That's when you should be greedy, though, is when everyone's scared, be greedy. Made a big move into Bitcoin at 30K and then dropped immediately. You won't be crying sooner rather than later. At some point, you won't be crying that you got in at 30K. If you could only hold one crypto, which one are you choosing? Bitcoin, always. Crypto Weatherman thinks that Bitcoin will hit 13 to 18K. That's sad to me because I hate disagreeing with Crypto Weatherman, but I do. Yeah, he's seeing a head and shoulders pattern. But the thing that I'll say to that is if we have a head and shoulders rejection, That is ultra bullish. And I'll be so fired up. Just about 80K more in vet coins. Okay. Should I wait another day or two or buy more dips right now? I would say wait. Where do you buy HBAR? I get mine on Voyager. Good idea to buy an entire Bitcoin. That's a great idea, Jose. Yes. Have you invested in any stocks, anything other than crypto? A little bit, not a ton. And I will put more into stocks sometime in 2022 or 2023. So thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Really appreciate that. Will say what you want about Doge, but it definitely got more people to invest in crypto. Yeah. It also made it more of a joke because Doge is literally a joke. ETH, a good buy today. It was, and I bought some ETH today. Now I would say to wait a little bit, but I am very bullish on ETH. So do I still disagree with Pablo? I would say the time frame for when I disagreed with him has passed. You know, if you were to look at the video that I made disagreeing with him, the thing that I put on the cover of that video was the time frame was early June, you know, late May, early June. And so he can adjust himself all he wants, but I do believe that he was wrong, and that he will never admit that. Do you think we'll see lower prices the next few days? Lower than this point? Yeah, I do think so. It's just how low. I would say worst case scenario for the next few days is that we'll see a double bottom. Worst case scenario. Thank you, user Jennifer, by the way. Really appreciate that. The worst case scenario over the next few days, in my opinion, is a double bottom, so that we'll go back down to 29K or something. So first dip, crap my pants. 20th dip, tea and biscuits. That's funny. Good day to cop some ETH. I already answered that. Engine, sorry, I don't know enough. Hope I'm not too late to the party. Since Bitcoin went under resistance, does it mean we're in a bear market? Carly, watch my most recent TikTok. I answered that question. I say a bear market, but not the bear market. There's a big difference between the two. How low will ETH go, do you think? 1,700, I'll say. But it's so hard. It's so difficult to say that, to give an honest answer on that. Thank you, Scott. In a week or two, Jennifer, let's see, in a week or two. I'm not sure what you're asking, sorry. In theory, Pablo was wrong. Yeah. Why has everything crashed? Because crypto is volatile. That's why. So much to learn, yeah. And you'll never have all the information. Matic or ADA right now? Matic. I really like Matic. Holding everything forever. If it crashes to 3,500, I'll sell my car for Bitcoin and ETH. That's funny. I think everyone expects Bitcoin to hit 20K because a few people say so, and it's manipulating the market. Man, yeah. Using it for new investors. Best wallet to be using with low fees on cash out. Currently have Uphold and SoFi. I haven't done a ton of attempting to cash out. I do like Voyager, but I've heard some people complain about trying to cash out on Voyager. So, yeah. Ruining. Okay. Love Matic. All right. I love crypto crashes. You know what? Yeah. You know, something that Benjamin Cohen says, a YouTube guy. He says, bull runs make you money, but bear markets make you rich. So remember that. My only option is HODL anyway because I'm down so much. Still have hope. Good. What app or website to start buying? Use Voyager, but it's not in New York. Yeah. All right. Use Voyager. Thank you again, Jennifer. Download Voyager, skip the waiting list, and get $25 of free Bitcoin if you use my referral code ALE749. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is in Elephant, 749. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Really appreciate that. Is Voyager interest good for holding coins on there? Yeah, I think so. Solana is looking strong. Yeah, Solana is. It's not suffering as much as other alts. I really like Solana. Apparently you can buy it on Uphold. Ooh, almost forgot the password of my Voyager account. If we were in a bear market for 6 to 12 months, are you staking all your tokens or and holding them all? Oh yeah, for sure, Mitchell. You know, and that actually would get me more excited because that means I'll have more of that crypto and then it'll shoot up. So just put 2K in Voyager, 1K in Bitcoin, 1K in ETH. Yeah, I think that's great, Garden of Evil. Yeah, Coinbase Pro I've heard is good. I don't use it though. Use your referral code for Voyager, but how do I redeem the free $25 Bitcoin? I think you need to put $100 on there and then you'll get the $25. Is Bitcoin going to 22K? I don't think so. But, you know, if one thing that this market has taught me over the years is that humility is very important. So I'm not going to say that there's a 0% chance it's going to 22K, but I just don't think so. How long do you think we'll be in a bear market? 4 to 7 months. How about that? All right, referral for Voyager doesn't work in New York. New York's the worst. That really stinks. Sorry about that. Wow, I'm caught up. Still on the way. Oh, jeez. That's awful. If you had 3K to invest, how would you divide? 750 Bitcoin, 750 in Ethereum. Spread out the rest between things like Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Matic, Theta, Maker, Cardano, XRP, XLM, things like that. Urine Finance is on sale. Lots of things are on sale. Thank you, Jennifer. You're welcome. Us Manila Mana. I'm going to check some Euro scores real quick. Helium. I am very excited about one day owning a helium miner. I'm not going to worry about it until until all this craziness is over. All right, England beat Czech Republic. Croatia beat Scotland. Okay. Do you think ETH 2.0 will hurt Matic? I've gotten that question a lot. I don't think so. Have you listened to Ryan and Happy Jews podcast? No, I haven't. But yeah, Ross, I'll check that out for sure. I'm a friend of Happy Jew Italian. He contacts me often, asks me for advice on stuff. So, what do you think about internet protocol? Internet protocol? You're talking about internet computer? I'm not sure. How do you feel about the ETH burn, positive or negative? Super positive, Choppa. I love it. I'm so excited about that. Start thinking Bitcoin to 100K plus this cycle. Yes, definitely. Topic of bear market. Does that mean Bitcoin stays at 40K or drops to 20 to 30K for 4 to 7 months? It could drop to 20 to 30K. I would think more like 30 to 40K in a slow climb out of this the slump. Have you bought a little at so many bottoms thinking this is it, but it just keeps going and going? In a sense, yes. But I've just been more conservative lately, not bought aggressively. So I bet if I cash out, the market will rise. Hey, could you please cash out then? That's funny. Yeah, internet computer, stay away. I've been telling people to stay away. I'm not touching that. VeChain. I love VeChain. VeChain to $1 this cycle. What happened with Doge? Is it dead? Doge follows Bitcoin. Excuse me. Doge is not dead. I think it will go higher eventually, but it's going to be a while. Optional question, but were you able to get a college degree? That's a weird question. Yes, I graduated from college 17 years ago. What about Cardano? We can hold. Yeah, I can hold Cardano. Do you think Bitcoin will hit at least 25K? I mean, yeah. Well, no, will it? You're going to say will. The question could would be a much better question. I would say could, yes. Will, I'll say no. I don't know much about Elrond, sorry. I am 39 years old. Good time to buy ETH. To an extent, yes. Every day I think is a good day to buy ETH. But, all right, could, yes. Thank you, Jennifer. But as Bitcoin is between 30 and $50,000, I'm only buying Bitcoin. So should I invest in now? Yeah, I mean, especially for Bitcoin, yes. Buy a little bit of Bitcoin regularly. How long do you think this dip will take to recover? Months. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Really appreciate that. It'll take months. I don't think we're crossing our all-time high until later this year or early 2022. Bought at 6.5 cents today. That's awesome, man. What should I invest in now? Bitcoin. Yeah. How much Doge did you buy? Not a ton. I think like, what would it be? 1,000 Doge. I spent like $170. What do you do for a living besides crypto? I'm semi-retired. I have a grocery distribution business, and I have 2 employees that mostly handle it. So, GRT, don't know enough. How much would you charge for a one-on-one? Oh man, I'm a little burned out right now. I'm not going to offer that. I'm sorry. Ask me again. How about you ask me again like a week from now? I don't want to say no, especially to you, because you've been on here for very often, and I really appreciate your input, but just not right now. What will be Bitcoin's price in the bear market? So yeah, all right. The bear market versus a bear market. We are in a bear market right now. The bear market, I would say around where it is now, but maybe somewhere, maybe like $50,000. That's a possibility as well. I bought Link at $29. 1K. Do you think that's a good shout at that price? A good. I mean, you won't regret buying. Link is going to be so much. Hold that for a decade, and you are not going to regret buying Link at $29. Sorry. Let me get back here. What do you think about Robin? I hate Robinhood. Thoughts on converting altcoins you don't have faith into Ethereum right now? I just don't think it's a good time. Have I lost faith in Theta? No, absolutely not. Reckon that has something to do with the market. Sorry, Mitchell, I don't know what you're asking. Do you think Theta can become a good coin? Yes. If I lived near you, bro, I'd take you for a drink. Thank you, Smiles. Really appreciate that. Oh, one-on-one, Jennifer. Yeah, not yeah. Definitely for you, I would say check back on that. But, all right, let's see. BZ world has changed so much, COVID, etc. You think charts not repeat themselves like before? Man, I don't even know what you're asking. I'm sorry, Carly. Totally fair, man. Hyped you would even consider it. Thank you. I still don't know how to pronounce your name. Frey, not Fry. Fry, not Fry. Will Bitcoin go down again? Certainly could. Do you have a cold wallet for your crypto? I don't. Nope. App crash. Sorry. What do you do for a living besides study crypto? I am semi-retired. I run a grocery distribution business. What should I use to invest besides Robinhood? Voyager. Download Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. You'll get $25 in free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list unless you're in New York. I love HBAR. I love Matic. Sorry, answering your questions, but I'm a little tired, and it's almost dinner time. Oh, hey, guys, I'm going to be live this evening. I'm getting interviewed by a friend of mine on TikTok. So that starts at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So, yeah, make sure you hop on around 8 p.m. Eastern time. All right. Yeah, Carly, thank you. Thank you, Jennifer. Hey, young Chipotle, I'm good. I am good. HBAR and Matic are both long term, yeah. All right, I'm done. I'm done on TikTok. I'm going to stay on YouTube, live on YouTube for a little bit more, maybe like 5-10 minutes more. So if you want to hop on over to YouTube, search World War Bitcoin, subscribe to my channel there, and I will stay on there for a little bit. Thank you all for for those of you on TikTok. Really appreciate all of you. So, yeah, I do think it could. I think Bitcoin could get to 29K in the next few days for sure. Will it? We'll see. I don't know. All right. Peace for those of you on TikTok. All right, YouTube fam. Oh, what am I doing? There we go. Okay. Let's see. Who is interviewing me? Crypto Keeper. Give me a second. I am very sure that that's his name. He just recently added me as a friend. _Crypto Keeper. Fry not fry. Okay. Fry not fry. Yeah, _Crypto Keeper. His name is Nick. Good guy. I like him. So. All right, finance major with an economics track. Maybe you never know. Maybe one day. I am not in a position to hire right now for the business, but especially for somebody as overqualified as you are with your finance stuff. So, would you recommend to someone new to crypto investing that wants to learn to market? Or what would I recommend, Darren? It's a really simple concept that no one wants to pursue. Buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, and just hold. Hold for 10 years, hold for 20 years. Keep on buying every month. And within 10 to 20 years, you will become a millionaire. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but I am convinced that you would become a millionaire. But no one wants to do that. They want their short-term gains. So, just started watching him. Okay, good. Let me see the charts here. I want to see a bar chart. We had a double top for today. After it went down to 29,000. It topped out twice at 33,000, so there's some resistance there. Now it's at 32.4. So it's hovering between 32 and 33. So I'm wondering, where are we going from here? I am very curious to see what happens when China wakes up. Thank you so much, Vincent, for subscribing. I'm thinking that China's gonna take some profits. And do I call it profits? I mean, I think China in general will sell, so I think it's gonna go down. I hope I'm wrong. China is becoming less and less influential because of their crackdowns. So yeah. Don't sell, China. Please don't sell. You're welcome. Thanks. Yeah, thanks again. What else can we... Will you be streaming on YouTube as well as TikTok at 8? No, I will only be streaming on TikTok because, he's going to be asking me questions. I got to think about this. Is there a way to do it? Let me think about that. Fry, not fry. If there's a way to do it, maybe I'll just live stream on YouTube, share my screen so that you can see it. But then my fear would be that you wouldn't hear it very well. So I wouldn't want that. Instead of spending $20 on a lottery ticket every few days, I take that 20 and 40. We can buy some altcoins much better than the lottery ticket for sure. Yeah. Yep. Okay. I am going to be done for now, but I will be back live on TikTok No guarantees that I will stream that live on YouTube. But, you know, you could go to, look at this. I mean, you could go to TikTok.com. For those of you on YouTube, you can go to TikTok.com at World War Bitcoin. And if I'm live, when I'm live, you can click on my picture and it will show you that I'm live. So that's not a bad idea. If you want to watch it live, that's what I would recommend doing. So, all right, I'm done for today, or I'm done for now. Have a great rest of your day. Hopefully to see some of you at 8 o'clock Eastern time on TikTok at least. See ya.